Alrighty, so how's everybody doing today? So this is Junior with S.O.T. Metalworks coming at you. We've got a new sign to cut out today. So this here's for fellow YouTuber and stuff, and we're going to take it on a little trip with us when we go, and drop it off. So what we got is we've got the medical cross there with the nurse and everything in it. This is our stars and stripes for a nurse. This is going to be a two-color sign, the red and white. And we'll get you guys set up on the table and everything over here. We'll get it all cut out, run you guys through the process, the whole 9 yards, just kind of like usual. And we'll see how this one turns out. This is the first time we've ever cut this one, first time we've ever tried to paint it, the whole 9 yards. So this may be something we carry on a regular basis. We're not exactly 100% sure yet. So bear with us here while we work through the process. And you guys can see all the mistakes if there is any. All right, guys. All right, everybody, so here's how the nurse's sign turned out and everything. We've got the American flag with the medical cross and of course the nurse down the inside there. So I think it turned out rather well. So we've made sure everything connects the way it's supposed to and everything. We're going to get it over here on the table, get it all cleaned up. We will get primer and everything on both sides and everything like we need to. We'll get the paint on the front side. I believe we're going to go with red and white on this one. Of course, because it's a nurse thing. So stick with us, guys. We'll see what happens there. Alright, guys, so we've got the coat of gloss white on it and everything. Turned out pretty daggone good. So yeah, not too bad. So we got everything masked off. We put the white on everything. We'll let all this dry and everything and get it squared away. We'll come back and mask the white off and paint the red. We're going to paint the nurse red and then the medical cross up there red. And everything should be getting after it. Alright, guys, we'll get back with you when we get the red on here. Alright, guys, so here it is. The nurse sign is complete. Turned out pretty good. We like it a lot. The final size come out to be 18 inches wide by 28 inches long. So, in case anybody was wondering what size they were looking at there. I think we're going to try to do these in a little smaller version, a little more fun friendly per se. So if you guys got nurses out there in your family, or you know, your wife or daughters or whatever, guys, look us up. We'll get you hooked up with this and everything like that. But yeah, this is how we're going to wrap up the video. I believe everything turned out the way we wanted it to. I believe the customers are going to be extremely happy. So, that being said, if you guys are looking for this sign, look us up. Shooters Option Targets at gmail.com, or check us out on Facebook, Shooters Option Targets /SOT Metalworks. So, you guys have a great evening. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Reach down there and hit that like button. Reach over and hit that notification button if you like what you've seen tonight. Subscribe to our channel. We'd greatly appreciate everybody's help. So thank you all so much. Later.